As restrictions related to the virus remain in place for public gatherings, members of different faiths are worshiping in unique ways now.
News specialist Garna Mejia tells us how communities came together on this National Day of Prayer. Garna?
Yeah, good afternoon. Today was quite a different experience for many parishioners of all faiths as their churches remained empty today. And that's due to those restrictions in which several churches have temporarily suspended Sunday services. But that doesn't mean that they're not looking for ways to still come together. From outside the Cathedral of the Madeleine in Salt Lake City, you could hear the hymns of praise as priests shared a message of faith, part of Sunday Mass.
The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God.
But it was a mass delivered to empty pews as parishioners like Juan Lopez and his family who were visiting from California were turned away.
And as I entered, of course, there was the priest told us there's no mass today due to the coronavirus.
After Governor Herbert's announcement to limit public gatherings to no more than 100 healthy people, churches of several denominations are temporarily suspending public worship.
So he said, I think after April 1st, then hopefully everything goes back to normal and there'll be mass again.
But as we saw today, those services aren't stopping. Religious leaders of all faiths are getting creative, going digital and live streaming.
Lord Jesus Christ, strengthen you in all goodness.
Leaders including President Nelson of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints are sharing messages of hope online.
I love you, I pray for you, and I promise that you will receive comfort and peace as you continue to hear him.
And encouraging all to join in the National Day of Prayer for Americans affected by the coronavirus pandemic.
I think it's great because we also need to get together. I believe the president said that today would be a National Day of Prayer, so I think we should all start praying. Hopefully it goes away and, everybody can get well. The people that are sick, pray for them.
Something the Molinay family did in their home.
Radiant beam the sun above.
And while there's no set date on when regular worship will resume, religious leaders encourage all to look out for one another, as Bishop Scott Hayashi of Utah's Episcopal Diocese shared.
Right now, what we are worried about being contracting the virus because of how terribly contagious it is, that we should also be contagious in love.
Now, most churches tell us that they are suspending Sunday services through the beginning of April, but that could change depending on circumstances. In Salt Lake, Garna Mejia, KSL 5 News.
I really like how he said that we should be contagious in love. What a good message. Thanks, Garna. If you have concerns over the coronavirus, the Utah Department of Health has launched a new information hotline. You can call anytime. We also have a lot of information on how to keep you and your family safe. That's on our website, ksltv.com.